If you're disappointed with RC cars that get stuck everywhere, then you've got to check out this Maisto Rock Crawler. It goes almost everywhere, and the best part is that it's only $30. You can spend way more on other radio-controlled cars, but they'll only work on flat surfaces. I won't spend too much time on the specs of the Maisto Rock Crawler, but I will say that it has large soft rubber tires with a lot of suspension. And it uses 6 AA batteries in the vehicle and 3 AAA batteries in the remote. One last thing, the remote has 3 channels so you can operate 3 rock crawlers together at the same time. Other than that, this car is super fun, and I'll let the amazing performance of this inexpensive RC car speak for itself. Let's get this outside. As you can see, the rock crawler is pretty awesome for only $30. I'm always amazed when I get this off-road to see what it can do. It's well worth the money and one of the best RC cars I've owned. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all my weekly videos.